Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we have studied or we have started with our chapter number 17 from the novel To Serve with Love. Actually in the last two lectures we have discussed so many things about this novel. Now you are familiar with this novel. की गेल्या दोन लेक्चर्स मध्ये आपण या नॉवेल बद्दल भरपूर चर्चा केलेली आहे. वी हॅव टॉक्ड अबाउट बॅकग्राऊंड ऑफ द नॉवेल, बॅकग्राऊंड ऑफ द ऑथर दॅट इज E.R. ब्रॅथवेट, social conditions and all these things. And this man who is a black person considers himself as a British, but British are not ready to accept him. हे सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत. And now we are in the chapter number 17 that E.R. ब्रॅथवेट, he was an engineer. But because of his economical condition, he has taken a job of a teacher, working in Greenslade School. But as you all know that this school is full of troublesome students. These students are not treating him with respect. These students are not from educational background. या मुलांना शैक्षणिक educational background नाही आहे. Good family background is not there. Overall, they are not good students. They are not respecting others. So E.R. ब्रॅथवेट understand their psychology and changes their way of life. हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे. आणि या पर्टिक्युलर नॉव्हेल मधला देर आर सो मेनी चॅप्टर्स, पण आपल्याला कोणतं चॅप्टर आहे? फक्त चॅप्टर नंबर 17. आपण काल त्याला सुरुवात केलेली. वन्स अगेन आय विल रिसाइट. परत फक्त थोडंसं पाठीमागे बघू आणि मग आपण पुढे कंटिन्यू करू. द हाफ इयरली रिपोर्ट ॲट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द चॅप्टर. व्हॉट इज देअर? हाफ इयरली रिपोर्ट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स काउन्सिल. हाफ ऑफ द इयर हॅज गॉन. मीन्स वी विल कन्सिडर एज आवर फर्स्ट टर्म. आपल्याकडे जी फर्स्ट टर्म एक्झाम असते तसं तिथं काय होतं? हाफ इयरली रिपोर्ट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स काउन्सिल. आणि हे ऑर्गनाइज कोणी केलेलं होतं? स्टुडंट्स काउन्सिल. अँड असेंब्ली एंटायरली अरेंज्ड अँड प्रेझेंटेड बाय द स्टुडंट्स. हे सगळं अरेंजमेंट कोणाची होती? बाय द स्टुडंट्स themselves is held on November 15. And I want to tell you that this was arranged by E.R. ब्रॅथवेट्स क्लास. हे कोणी अरेंज केलेलं होतं? E.R. ब्रॅथवेट्स क्लास. He was class teacher of that class and it was the oldest class. त्या स्कूल मधला सगळ्यात मोठा वर्ग कोणता होता? E.R. ब्रॅथवेट्स क्लास. They have arranged all these things. Miss Joseph and Denham preside. आता त्या क्लास रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह who were there? Miss Joseph and Denham, students from his class. And at 10 o'clock the meeting begins with an address by Mr. Florian, the headmaster. Its school starts in the school auditorium at 10 o'clock. And the first address was of Mr. Florian. He has given a long lecture but well received presentation. And from his lecture E.R. ब्रॅथवेट comes to know that this man is a man of principle. He talks about his policy and goals about the school and the students' education or their future. हे सगळं लक्षात आलं. E.R. ब्रॅथवेट was impressed by his speech. After that, the assembly began and the lowest class begins the first. As you all know that each and every class is going to present their views about the education, about the subjects and the topics taught. की जे जे विषय आहेत आणि त्यामध्ये काय शिकवलं त्याच्याविषयी ही मुलं आपले मत मांडणार आहेत. दिस इज व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल. किती सुंदर आहे बघा. इट बिगिन्स विथ द लोएस्ट क्लास. द स्टुडंट्स वेअर 12 years न्यूली जॉईन दिस स्कूल. दे वेअर शाय अँड फ्रायटन. ही मुलं नुकतीच शाळेत आलेली होती. दे हॅव जस्ट कम्प्लिटेड देअर फर्स्ट टर्म. सो दे वेअर शाय, लाजत होती ती, अँड फ्रायटन, आणि घाबरलेली होती. So one by one they presented their point of view. All these classes were open. And now in the end it was term of Mr. Brathwaite's class. Brathwaite was anxious about his class. Why he was anxious? Because he was the class teacher. Then this was his first year in the school. त्याचं पहिलंच वर्ष शाळेमध्ये होतं. And he was a black teacher. आणि सगळ्यात जास्त काय होतं? He was a black teacher, not treated respectfully by the students and other teachers. बरोबर आहे? So Denham introduced the names with confidence and courtesy. आणि आपण कालच पाहिले की Denham, who was the representative of the class, he introduced the name of the students one by one. All of them stood up and came into the front and sat on the chairs. And Denham was addressing each girl as a miss. This was taught by his teacher E.R. ब्रॅथवेट, that treat each and every girl with respect. So he was calling each and every girl as a miss. And Brathwaite was very happy and confident that now this assembly will be successful. ब्रॅथवेटला हे एकाच त्याच्या इन्सिडेंटनी किंवा एकाच त्या मूव्हने लक्षात आलं की आता असेंब्ली आपली चांगली होणार आहे, कारण का माय स्टुडंट्स आर फॉलोइंग माय टेक्निक्स और माय ॲड्रेस and their younger ones or the lower classes will follow Denham. So he was very happy. So after Denham introduces all the people or all the students from the class who were presenting about the subjects, Miss Joseph begins. So who was the first to talk? Miss Joseph, another representative with Denham, begins the highest class proceedings by explaining that the common theme underlying all their studies, आता ते जे सगळे टॉपिक्स मांडणार होते प्रत्येक सब्जेक्टचा, व्हॉट वॉज द कॉमन थीम? इंटरडिपेंडन्सी ऑफ मॅनकाइंड. each and every human being, though he is a black or white or whatever it will be, interdependent, ते एकमेकांवरती काय आहेत? अवलंबून आहेत. इंटरडिपेंडन्सी ऑफ मॅनकाइंड. So first term was of Potter. Potter speaks about mathematics. And in maths he talks about weights and measures. He gives many examples of kilograms, feet and all these things we have seen yesterday. And in the end he tells about interdependency, that all the people use same weights and measures. So weights and measures do not discriminate in people. हे जे weights आणि measures असतात ना, हे लोकांमध्ये भेदभाव करत नाही. ओनली द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज अमंग द पीपल. ते फक्त लोकांमध्ये, वस्तूंमध्ये नाही. मिस पेग अँड जॅक्सन स्पीक ऑन जिओग्राफी. So throughout the geographical, they told in Miss Peg and Jackson also states the importance that though there are varieties in geographical condition, प्रत्येक देशाची भौगोलिक परिस्थिती काय वेगळी आहे, डिफरंट आहे, but all the people are same. All the people are same. After that, Miss Dare and Furman discuss the subject physiology. ते कोणता विषय मांडणार होते? Physiology. And Furman stealing the show. And as you all know, this was comic relief. काल आपण चर्चा केली होती. Comic relief म्हणजे काय? एखादं वातावरण टेन्शन मध्ये असलं तर थोडंसं हसवायला लावणार, त्याला म्हणतात कॉमिक रिलीफ. दिस टर्म इज युज्ड इन मोस्ट ऑफ द मॉडर्न सिनेमाज ऑल्सो. मॉडर्न सिनेमाज मध्ये सुद्धा ही टर्म वापरतात बरं का, कॉमिक रिलीफ. म्हणजे कधी कधी एखादा फार टेन्शनचा सिनेमा असेल तर मध्ये एखादा कॅरेक्टर येऊन आपल्याला हसवून जातं बघा. इट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉमिक रिलीफ. इथं पण फर्मनने काय केलं? ही हॅज प्रेझेंटेड अ स्केलेटन. स्केलेटन म्हणजे काय? येस, हाडाचा सापळा. And to the skull the hook was attached. स्कल कवटीला काय लावलेलं होतं? हुक लावलेलं होतं. आणि तो स्केलेटन घेऊन सगळ्यांच्या समोर आला. ऑल द पीपल वेर लाफिंग. सगळे हसत होते आणि त्याने स्केलेटन सगळ्यांच्या समोर धरला. आणि ही वॉज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन that this is a female skeleton. This I can prove in the laboratory. की हा स्केलेटन कोणाचा आहे? फिमेल स्केलेटन. हे मी लायब्ररी मध्ये काय करू शकतो? सॉरी, लॅबोरेटरी, नॉट लायब्ररी, सॉरी, लॅबोरेटरी. आय कॅन प्रूव्ह इट इन द लॅबोरेटरी. But whether this is Chinese or French or German or Greek, I cannot prove this thing. Whether this skeleton is of a black person or white person, I cannot prove this. So in the end he wants to state basically all people were the same. He is pointing towards Mr. E.R. Braithwaite's philosophy or teaching that all people are same. Don't discriminate between black and white. This was a very beautiful presentation. After Furman, Miss Dodd reports on history. Now we are on page number 183, right side, last paragraph. Miss Dodd reported on the period of history the class had studied the Reformation in England. History मध्ये कोणता टॉपिक होता? Reformation in England. Reformation चा अर्थ आहे चेंजेस, सुधारणा. She told of the struggles of the men of independent spirit against clerical domination and of their efforts to break from established religious traditions. आणि त्यांनी त्यात सांगितलं की some people have fought against clerical domination. फिफ्थ लाईनला वर्ड आलाय बघा, clerical domination. Clerical domination means dominated by the fathers of the church. Clerical domination याच्या विरुद्ध त्यांनी लढा दिलेला होता. And religious traditions, धार्मिक ज्या परंपरा होत्या त्याच्या विरुद्ध लढा देऊन आपल्याला त्यांनी शिकवलं होतं इक्वॅलिटी. ओके. From those early beginnings gradually grew the idea of tolerance for the beliefs and cultures of others. So this was presented by Miss Dodd. Miss Joseph on domestic science. After that Miss Joseph has also talked on domestic science. Domestic चा अर्थ आहे घरगुती. Okay. Then the last term was of Denham. As you all know that Denham is a main character. Denham created a stir, which he has presented a different view by speaking on the required subject of PT and games. आता डेनहॅमने कोणता टॉपिक केला? ही क्रिटिसाइज लास्ट 2 लाईन्स आहेत बघा 183 वरती. ही सिव्हिअरली क्रिटिसाइज द जनरल पॅटर्न ऑफ पीटी अँड गेम्स. त्याने कशावरती केला? पीटी अँड फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग अँड गेम्स, कंप्लेनिंग दॅट द क्लास वॉज इल कन्सिव्ड अँड पॉइंटलेस. त्याचं मत आहे की पीटी आणि गेम्सचा क्लास असूच नाही. इट वॉज इल कन्सिव्ड अँड पॉइंटलेस. तो असण्याचा अर्थच नाही. दे शुड ड्रॉप दिस सब्जेक्ट. बघा, वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 184. Mr. Weston, Mr. Daly Vance and Miss Phillips are chosen at random. आता बघा, here the presentation has ended. Assembly presentation संपलेलं आहे. But now what is the tradition? तिथले tradition काय आहे? They choose the teachers. बघा, they म्हणजे students. Student choose the teachers to answer their questions. This is not prepared. हे तयार नसतं. विद्यार्थी काय करतात? स्वतः शिक्षक चूज करायचे आणि ते चूज करून काय करायचे? ते टीचर्स विल सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम अँड द स्टुडंट्स विल आस्क देम क्वेश्चन्स. आणि मुलं त्यांना प्रश्न विचारणार. किती सुंदर आहे बघा. अँड हाऊ दे चूज? पेज नंबर 184, लेफ्ट साइड, fourth last line from the first para. Denham called 2 children at random. बघा, डेनहॅमने काय केलं? He called 2 little lower class students random from the audience and asked them to write the name of each teacher including the head on a slip of paper. He asked them to write a names of all the teachers on a paper including the headmaster also. These slips were folded and placed in a hat, and they mixed these slips in a hat and juggled vigorously and then withdrawn one by one. This is like our lucky draw. लकी ड्रॉ काढलेला होता. आणि who were the 3 teachers? Mr. Weston, Mrs. Daly Vance and Miss Phillips are chosen at a random to answer the students' question arising from the senior presentations. आणि हे क्वेश्चन्स फक्त कोण विचारणार होते? स्टुडंट्स फ्रॉम सिनियर प्रेझेंटेशन्स. बघा, अँड नाव दीज 3 teachers are there to answer the students' questions. When Denham pursues his inquiry, now all these teachers have answered the most of the questions, and the last question was of Denham. Denham pursues his inquiry on the necessity of requiring all the students to take PT. Denhamचा टॉपिक होता PT subject should not be there for all the students. It should not be compulsory. Mr. Weston's respond quite ridiculously. आता यातला फर्स्ट टीचर होते Mr. Weston. Weston responds quite ridiculously. He was angry with Denham, trying to bluster his way out of the subject. He was angry and he was scolding him. त्याला रागावले ते, and offering no coherent argument for the requirements continuance. आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं, there is no point in talking with you. Shut up. Don't ask such questions. Okay. And surprisingly quiet Miss Phillips. Surprisingly, why this word is used? Because it was surprisingly for E.R. Braithwaite. Surprise for E.R. Braithwaite. E.R. Braithwaite Miss Phillips बद्दल जे समजत होते ते चुकीचं होतं. त्यांना आश्चर्य वाटलं. काय? मिस फिलिप्स आतापर्यंत कशा वाटत होत्या? शी वॉज व्हेरी क्वाइट. शांत असायच्या नेहमी. स्टेप्स इन अँड गिव्ज अ स्टडी डिफेन्स ऑफ द प्रॅक्टिस. आणि त्या समोर आल्या. अँड शी इज ट्राईंग टू कन्व्हिन्स डेनहॅम. त्यांनी डेनहॅमला समजून सांगितलं. काय केलं बघा? ऑफ द प्रॅक्टिस अँड डेनहॅम. पेज नंबर 184, लेफ्ट साइड, लास्ट पैराग्राफ. Miss Euphemia Phillips proved to be the coolest and best informed of the 3. She dealt with the question put to her with candor and authority and would often intervene skillfully to assist one of the others without causing embarrassment. Weston cuts her ridiculously. Come to right side. 15th line. Once again Miss Phillips took the reins and her stock promptly shot up 100-fold. She reminded the school what she has told Denham बघा इथं, that every subject including PT and games had been carefully considered and fitted into the teaching timetable so that each student received maximum benefit from it. She tells him that each and every subject is for your future development. Right now you are not able to understand its importance. आता तुम्हाला त्यांचं महत्त्व समजत नाहीये, but it is for your future development and you must study it. Then Denham tries to interrogate with her, tries to speak with her that if it is the thing that those students who are interested they can take PT, why you are putting it on others? ज्यांना फक्त इच्छा आहे त्यांनाच घेऊ, त्यांना तुम्ही सगळ्यांवरती का लादताय? तर त्यांनी सांगितलं, राईट नाव द स्टुडंट्स आर नॉट मॅच्युअर दॅट मच इनफ टू अंडरस्टँड देअर गुड or their happiness. We have to tell them, and in the end after that they will understand all these things. So she quietly tells Denham about the importance of PT also, though right now he is not understanding. And in the end Denham, knowing that he has been outwitted, Denhamला लक्षात आलं की she has answered his question very well, has no choice but to respectfully cease his heated protest. Cease are the quiet, stopped. He stopped his protest. Page number 185, left side, line number 6 बघा. The whole timetable in this school is meant to help you in the world after you leave here. याने काय सांगितलं, when you leave the school, this timetable will help you at that time. And doing what you are told in spite of not liking it is a part of the training. Remember this thing. This is very important line. Underline this thing. Doing what you are told in spite of not liking it is a part of the training. कधी कधी आपण ट्रेनिंग घेतो, त्या ट्रेनिंग मधल्या सगळ्याच गोष्टी आपल्याला आवडतील असं नाही ना, पण ते कशासाठी? फॉर डुईंग, नॉट लाइकिंग. ते त्यावेळी कम्प्लीट केलंच पाहिजे, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी डू नॉट अंडरस्टँड देअर इम्पॉर्टन्स व्हाईल लर्निंग ऑर टीचिंग. की शिकत असताना आपल्याला त्या विषयाचं महत्व कधी कधी समजत नाही, पण इन फ्युचर भविष्यात आपल्याला कुठे ना कुठे तो उपयोगी पडतोच. अँड नाउ डेनहॅम वॉज आउटविटेड and he has to do this thing. Okay, and in the end, soon last paragraph on page number 185, I began to understand how it was that so slight a creature could cope so effectively with her class. Soon after this, as the morning ended, the head went on to the stage and closed the proceedings. And head of the school closed the proceedings. हा सगळा प्रोग्राम तिथं संपला. As the morning ended, expressing his pride in all the children and deep appreciation of their efforts. And this is the end of the chapter number 17. And now E.R. Braithwaite was very happy with his students, and slowly he understands that my students are developing day by day. की मुलं काय होत आहेत? सुधारत आहेत. They are changing day by day, and this is his success. Okay, now here I have created a PPT, or I just want to show you about synopsis of the extract, that is chapter number 17. Half yearly reports of students council is there. Miss Joseph and Denham preside over. सुरुवात कोणी केलेली होती? Miss Joseph and Denham, they are on the stage. Mr. Florian addressing the meeting. ही सगळी मीटिंग कोणी ऍड्रेस केली होती? Mr. Florian at the beginning, headmaster. Each class gives a report of their progress, started from the lower class. Miss Joseph stresses on the interdependency of mankind and Potter on mathematics. की ब्रेथवेट्स क्लासची सुरुवात कोणी केली होती? मिस जोसेफ. टॉपिक काय होता? इंटरडिपेंडन्सी ऑफ मॅनकाइंड. मॅनकाइंड इज इंटरडिपेंडेंट ऑन इच अदर. प्रत्येक माणूस एकमेकांवरती अवलंबून आहे. पॉटर ऑन मॅथेमॅटिक्स आपण मगाशी बघितलं, वेट्स अँड मेजरमेंट्स. मिस पेग अँड जॅक्सन स्पीक्स ऑन जॉग्राफी. जॉग्राफीमध्ये देर इज अ डिफरन्स ऑर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन जॉग्राफिकल एरिया. भौगोलिक परिस्थिती वेगळी, बट पीपल आर सेम. डेअर अँड फनमन डिस्कस फिजिओलॉजी. फिजिओलॉजीमध्ये स्केलेटनचे एक्झाम्पल मला वाटतं तुम्ही कधीच विसरणार नाही. कॉमिक रिलीफ पण होतं आणि इम्पॉर्टंट मेसेज पण आहे की द स्केलेटन वी कॅनॉट अंडरस्टँड वेदर इट इज अ स्केलेटन ऑफ ब्लॅक पीपल और व्हाईट पीपल. Skeleton is same. Furman exhibits a model of human skeleton. Miss Todd on history and Miss Joseph on domestic science. In the end, Denham complains about PT and games. बरोबर? And Miss Phillips outwits Denham. Braithwaite is immensely pleased the performance of the students. Okay. Understood? I hope you liked this chapter very much and you liked the novel also. Okay, लक्षात आले novel? Now after each and every text you have brainstorming activities on page number 185 at the end बघा. Brainstorming. फर्स्ट इज कॅरेक्टर. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग मध्ये पण त्यांनी आता ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये हे केलेले टॉपिक्स केलेले. पहिला टॉपिक कोणता आहे? कॅरेक्टर. कॅरेक्टर मध्ये फर्स्ट काय बघा, पेज नंबर 185 लास्ट पार्ट. विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज अ टीचर इन द एक्सट्रॅक्ट? सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट वन. ऑल्सो साइट अ कपल ऑफ लाइन्स फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रॅक्ट इन सपोर्ट ऑफ युअर आन्सर. आय होप यू विल एबल टू सॉल्व दिस वन. यातला टीचर कोणता आहे बरं? डेनहॅम टीचर आहे, मिस जोसेफ टीचर है, सैपियानो और डेल इवांस? Yes, can you answer? Right now I am not able to hear your answer, but I know you will answer it correctly because it is on page number, where it is? Page number 184, left side, second paragraph, line number 4. What is the answer? Yes, Dale Evans, and you have to give couple of lines because Dale Evans was chosen among the 3 teachers to answer the questions of the students. बरोबर आहे? लक्षात आलं? Now come to page number 186. Complete the table highlighting the various traits of the major characters in the extract. 4 characters are given. कोणकोणते आहेत बघा? डेनहॅम, मिस फिलिप्स, फॉनमॅन, पॉटर. डेनहॅम कसा आहे? ही इज अ ब्लंट कॅरेक्टर. ब्लंट मीन्स रिबेलिंग, क्रिटिकल, क्रिटिसाइजेस. त्याला जे नाही पटत त्याच्यावरती तो काय करतोय? क्रिटिसाइज, टीका करतोय. कॉन्फिडंट, कॉन्फिडंट आहे तो. ही इज स्पीकिंग विथ कॉन्फिडन्स. अँड कॉर्चियस, कॉर्चियस म्हणजे शोईंग रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर्स. प्रत्येक ईच गर्ल ही वॉज कॉलिंग ॲज मिस. बरोबर आहे? So this is about Denham. Then second character, Miss Phillips. How is Miss Phillips? She is quiet, शांत आहे, hesitant. कधी कधी बोलायला ती कशी इतरांच्या मनाचा विचार करते. hesitant, authoritative. But she is authoritative. When she is speaking, no one dares to interfere her. Means she has authority on others. इतरांवरती तिचा प्रभाव आहे. And she is very clever. Next character is Funman, clear. Though he is a bit comic, but he is clear in his speaking. Precise, जे मांडायचं तो precisely मांडतोय. Dramatic, आपलं मांडणं तो नुसत्या शब्दात नाहीये, with drama. And adroit, adroitचा अर्थ is clever or skillful. Adroit म्हणजे काय? Clever or skillful, हुशार किंवा कौशल्य असलेला. And next one is Potter. Potter कसा आहे? नॉलेजेबल आहे, त्याला नॉलेज आहे. मॅथमॅटिक्सचं मांडलेलं आहे बघा पॉटरने. आणि कन्साइज, आपलं जे मांडणं आहे तो थोडक्यात मांडतोय, लॉट लेंदी. ओके. सेकंड बघा आता यामधलंच. द नॅरेटर प्लेड अ क्रुशियल रोल इन ब्रिंगिंग अ सिग्निफिकंट चेंज इन द स्टुडंट्स. नॅरेटर म्हणजे कोण आहे? A.R. Braithwaite. He has played a crucial role, very important role in bringing a significant change in the students. Explain the statement by citing some references from the extract. आता तुम्हाला एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट मधले काही रेफरन्स घ्यावे लागतील. by citing some references. इथं डेनहॅमचं एक्झाम्पल आहे बघा. ही वॉज कॉलिंग ईच गर्ल ॲज अ मिस. हा चेंज कोणी आणलेला होता? A.R. Braithwaite. प्रत्येक स्टुडंट, these students were earlier they were making difference. ही मुलं पहिल्यांदा भेद करायची होती, ब्लॅक वर्सेस व्हाईट. बट नाव दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंटरडिपेंडन्सी ऑफ मॅनकाइंड और इक्वेलिटी. हा सुद्धा कोणी आणलेला चेंज आहे? ब्रेथवेटने. ओके. नेक्स्ट ऍक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 4 इज Funman brought a comic relief in the students council program. Right now we have discussed about comic relief. You have to explain that incident. He is there with a skull and skeleton, the hook is attached to the skull and all these things. Give a brief character sketch of Denham, Joseph, the narrator, the Miss Dare and Miss Phillips. This you can answer from this number 2 activity. I have given you traits also. नंतर सेकंड ऍक्टिव्हिटी प्लॉटची बघा. आता कॅरेक्टर वी हॅव फिनिश्ड विथ कॅरेक्टर. प्लॉट मध्ये A2 दिलेलं आहे. प्लॉटला कॅरेक्टरला A1 होतं. A2 मध्ये फर्स्ट काय? Arrange the incidents in correct sequence as per their occurrence in the extract. बघा, we are on page number 187. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 statements are given. Denham was outwitted by Miss Phillips. The head of the school closed the proceedings. Denham asserted that the PT periods were a waste of time. The slips were folded and placed in a hat. Funman was as usual a trump card. Denham called out the names of the representatives. Student council was held every year on November 15th. ह्यातलं फर्स्ट कोणतं येईल? जस्ट थिंक. तुम्ही थोडा विचार करा. Yes, I have given you answers also. I was waiting. I was not gone anywhere. I was waiting that so that you will solve, and I hope most of you have solved this one. First of all, कोणतं statement येईल? Student council was held every year on November 15. पहिल्यांदा कोणतं? Students council. After that, F. Now it was turn of Berethwaite's class. So Denham called out the names of the representatives. F. E. Furman as usual as a trump card. ट्रम्प कार्ड म्हणजे व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पर्सन. त्यांच्या सगळ्यामधला व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पर्सन कोण होता? फॉरमॅन. आफ्टर दॅट सी. डेनहॅम असर्टेड दॅट पीटी पिरियड्स वेअर अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. नंतर डी. द स्लिप्स वेअर फोल्डेड अँड प्लेस्ड इन अ हॅट. टीचर्स वेअर चोजन. अँड डेनहॅम वॉज आउटविटेड बाय मिस फिलिप्स. डेनहॅमचं ऑपोजिशन कोणी आउटविट केलेलं होतं? मिस फिलिप्स. अँड लास्ट वन बी. द हेड ऑफ द स्कूल क्लोज द proceedings. The proceedings were closed. Second, describe in brief the purpose of organizing the half-yearly report program of the Students' Council. What is the purpose? The half-yearly report program. Why they were organizing? का ते arrange करत होते? So that the students will speak about the teachers and about the subjects, about their education and all these things. The students will be able to present their views and the students will get confidence. मुलांना कॉन्फिडन्स मिळावा, मुलांना आपल्या शिक्षणाबद्दल आपली मतं मांडावीत. And what is the second point? The second point is that the school will also understand what is right, what is wrong, आपलं काय चुकतंय, काय बरोबर आहे, हे शाळेला सुद्धा समजेल. This is very good activity. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट काय? राइट इन युअर वर्ड्स द एंटायर हाफ इयरली रिपोर्ट प्रोग्राम ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स काउन्सिल. मीन्स यू हॅव टू समराइज दिस चॅप्टर नंबर 17. आय हॅव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू दिस समराइज पार्ट. सिनॉप्सिस मी मगाशी तुम्हाला पीपीटी दाखवली बघा सिनॉप्सिसची. दिस विल बी युजफुल फॉर रायटिंग दिस आन्सर. डिस्क्राइब द क्वेश्चन आन्सर सेशन that took place at the end of the extract. Question answer session. It was mainly by Denham, Mr. Weston and Miss Phillips. तो थोडक्यात डिस्क्राइब करायचं माझ्या पीपीटी. यू विल गेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स इन द पीपीटी. And describe the discussion that took place between Miss Joseph and Denham. Okay, thank you. After this, there is one more part. It is related with the setting. What is there in the setting? Which event took place in the extract? Choose the correct one and give reasons to support your answer. यातला कोणता इव्हेंट होता बरं? Annual sports day, annual social and cultural gathering, half yearly report of the students council, or farewell program on November 15th. Which program was there? Yes, the correct answer is C. Half yearly report of the students council. We are on page number 187. Setting madla part. Second guy, the event in the extract was held at. Where it was held? Author's house, auditorium of the school, market ka garden. This is very easy. Where? Auditorium of the school. Give reasons to support your view. What is the reason? It was a school's meeting, means it will be held in the auditorium. Okay. The incidents in the extract occurred at a particular place. Explain the significance of that place in your words. Where these incidents happen? हा सगळ्या हे जे इन्सिडेंट आहे चॅप्टर नंबर 17 कुठे घडलेले आहेत? इन द स्कूल. Where it has happened in the school, and at one place, only one place of the school is there, auditorium. Explain the significance of that place in your words. What is the significance? म्हणजे काय? Importance, because all the people or all the school members are gathered. Basically all of them are in the school but in different classes. सगळे एकाच शाळेत असतात पण कुठे असतात? वेगवेगळ्या वर्गांमध्ये. पण इथं काय घडलेले? ऑल ऑफ देम हॅव गॅदर्ड. सगळे एकत्र आलेले आहेत अँड दे आर प्रेझेंटिंग द थीम इंटरडिपेंडन्सी ऑफ मॅनकाइंड, की माणूस कसा एकमेकांवरती अवलंबून आहे. ओके. एक्सप्लेन हाऊ द सेटिंग ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट कॉन्ट्रीब्युट्स टू द थीम ऑफ द नॉव्हेल. सेटिंग म्हणजे काय? बॅकग्राऊंड. सेटिंग, ऑडिटोरियम, स्कूल. आणि आपण थीम बघितल्यात. कोणकोणत्या थीम होत्या? स्टुडंट टीचर रिलेशनशिप इज देअर. इथे कोण दिसलेले? स्टुडंट टीचर रिलेशनशिप. देन प्रेजुडाईस. पहिल्यांदा त्यांच्या मनात काय होता? प्रेजुडाईस, पूर्वग्रह. आणि तिसरी थीम आहे आपली, थर्ड थीम इज रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, वंशभेद. थीम. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. एवढे एक दोन पॉइंट आपण फक्त. When the turn of my class came, I sat up anxiously. My class म्हणजे Braithwaite's class. I म्हणजे Braithwaite. Why was the narrator anxious? Why he was anxious, worried or curious? Explain the statement by citing suitable references. Why? Because he was a black teacher, joined this school and it was first function. And his class was the main class. He was the class teacher. So it was totally his responsibility how they perform. Why he was in anxious or he was in tension? Because his class was going to be the main class of the event and their presentation will decide his future in the school or his status in the school. Select two statements that describe the theme of the extract. 4 statements are given which describes the theme. Half yearly report of the students council was not an important event for the students and teachers of the school. The writer was immensely pleased to notice the progress of his students. The students showed a remarkable change in their way and were progressing in all subjects. The head of the institution was against the conducting such activities in the school. This is very easy. Directly you will come to know that the answer is B and C. बरोबर आहे? The relationship between the teacher and the student is highlighted in the extract. आपण theme मध्ये डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. We have discussed in theme. Illustrate with suitable examples from the extract. Explain in brief the theme of the extract. I have created all these PPTs for you. Please take into consideration. Do study all these things. Describe the atmosphere of the school described in the extract. Write it in your words. And last one is related with language. Explain the following statement that enrich the language and create powerful impact. Miss Phillips is transformed into very convincing personality. Transform चा अर्थ है change. Earlier she was quiet and hesitant. पूर्वी कशा होते? ते शांत होते आणि hesitant, इतरांशी बोलायला, डिस्कशन करायला. She was not ready. But now she is transformed into convincing personality. Convincing म्हणजे दुसऱ्यांना समजून सांगणे. Some people have this power to convince others. ठीक है? There are many features of language that contribute the smooth sailing of the plot. Language is very important. And last one. Following are some dialogues of the major characters in the extract. Find out who the speaker is, his, her tone, the style, significance of the dialogues. Then why do we have to do PT? Why don't they take only the kids who need it? This is by Denham. Let us say it is as much as an exercise of the mind as it is of the body. Whose dialogues will be there? This dialogue is of. Okay, answer this in comment box for me, so that I will come to know whether you are attending the lecture up to the end or not. And I hope you will solve these 2 tests. I have already given 2 tests for this text. Do solve and submit it. Okay? Understood? Thank you very much.